Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Scorpio which has come for clutch replacement with us at the moment, and the clutch has been completely worn out. The vehicle is run around some 1,50,000 kilometers. So you can just check out, we have removed the complete gearbox on this vehicle, and you can just have a look at the clutch which has been completely worn out. So this is the old clutch which has been removed, and we have removed the gearbox here completely, and we are installing a releaser bearing on this. So this is the old releaser bearing, and you can just have a look at we have used the LUK releaser bearing in this completely, and we have used the LUK Valeo pressure plate as well as the clutch. So you can just have a look at the releaser bearing which has been completely fitted on the gearbox. This is a Scorpio gearbox, and the clutch has been completely installed. There's a brand new clutch for Valeo. Soon after the work is done, we'll be installing a gearbox oil into the machine. For any kinds of service or modifications or sales regarding any 4x4 petrol and diesel cars, both petrol and diesel, 4x4, we are specialized in a multi-brand workshop. Our workshop name is Jeepzone Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, WhatsApp us on WhatsApp number 98866 79617. We are based in Bangalore. So thank you for trusting us. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.